Hey guys, we received this Casa Zen Insulin Cooler Travel Case, TSA approved with a refrigerated medicine travel case with a temperature display. So the first thing is that it can be used to store your medicine which are temperature sensitive, and you can use it on a travel, so that's easy to carry. And this is a hard case on the top with the indicator for the temperature, so I will show you. My first impression is a nice quality, nice color, nice design, as you can see it here. So this is a hard shell on the top, so it can hold some weight. So it's not like a flexible one where you are have a fear to break down your injections or syringes inside, but this one is. So this comes with the two ice packs. You can put it in the refrigerator or the freezer to get cooled completely, and then you can use this cooled one in the top and the bottom. So it's have you can see inside a small one. Just take out this protective battery thing, and this is a thermostat that will have the temperature of this case displayed outside. So you can see right now the temperature inside is 76.5 degree Fahrenheit. That can be used in here. So say like this gel packs are cooled, you can just store in here, lock it down from both sides. So this one is for keeping the syringe or the medicine inside. So you can use like a strap bands and also the zipper. So this is a safe material, which is a approved material for the travel, and you can just store in these cases or the ice pack, and then just say put in some medicine here, just lock it down. So just showing a demo, not actually syringes, but yeah, I will show you how the case will work. And then you can just close this zipper. So be careful because this zipper is a very sealed one, so you have to be a little careful. And this have this band thing as well. So I put in the refrigerated ice pack inside just to show how the temperature will lower down. This will lower down. It's a very cool and the safe feature, and very handy to keep your medicine safe and cool during the travel. So very nice cool box.